What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to purchase the AMP coin on Coinbase. First of all, the first thing you need to do is to come over to coinmarketcap.com, which is really important. Okay, that's the first thing to do if you want to purchase any coin. So you can go ahead and read more info about the coin, see how it works and everything like that. So here on the coin page, you can now come over to the search icon over here, then enter AMP. Okay, then you can click on the coin over here. So once you are here on the page, as you can see right now, the coin is really booming. So it's one of the trendy coins as of the time of recording this video. So what you need to do is to now come over here to the market section. This is where you can actually see the list of markets where you can purchase the coin. So as you can see, it's available on Coinbase exchange. So that's what we are going to be using in this video. So first of all, if you don't have a Coinbase account, you can go ahead and use the link I have for you in the description. That way you get $10 back when you deposit up to $100 into your Coinbase account. So go ahead and use the link in the description, create an account, and then log in into your account if you already have an account. So come over here to the Coinbase page. So open your Coinbase wallet over here. Right, open your Coinbase wallet. As you can see over here, I've created an account. So once you've created an account and you fully verify the account, this is what you should have on the home page, as you can see over here. So the next thing to do now is to deposit some money into your Coinbase account. Currently, I can't deposit money into my my own Coinbase account because of some issues here in my country. So just ignore that. So what you need to do over here is just come over to go and deposit some money into your Coinbase account. So the deposit button should be somewhere around here. If you created the account properly, it should be somewhere around here, right? After you deposit some USD into your account, what you can now do is to come over to the just search for come to portfolio, come over to AMP over here. As you can see, here's the coin chart. Then you can go ahead and click on AMP wallet. Then, assuming you've created your accounts properly and you've deposited some money, in here you should see a button that says buy AMP, right? So I'm really sorry not to be able to show you that because I'm having some issues with my account here in my country. So after you've deposited some money, you can now go ahead and click over here and then buy the AMP using the money you deposited. But the only issue here is that you can only buy on Coinbase using USD. So which means if you are in countries like let's say for example you are in Australia, right, then that means you can actually purchase the coin using your Coinbase account. So the alternative I have for you is to go ahead, as you can see over here on the market list for the coin, you see you can also purchase the coin on Uniswap. Okay, so if you can't use Coinbase, you can go ahead and use Uniswap. Okay, so I will show you how to use that too right now. So first of all, to be able to use Uniswap, you need to go ahead and let's assume you are using Binance. You can go ahead to your Binance account. Now you need to buy some Ethereum using your Binance account. Okay, you need to buy some Ethereum. So after purchasing that Ethereum, you can go ahead and come to your wallet over here. Then come to Ethereum. After you've purchased Ethereum, come over to the Ethereum section over here. Ethereum. Okay, so here is it. ETH, right? Just click on it. Then go ahead and withdraw into your Trust Wallet. So now you need to open your Trust Wallet. So in case you don't have Coinbase, that's when you should use this other method of Binance. But Coinbase is actually the best method to use for this particular coin. But in case you don't have Coinbase, I'll probably use Binance and you don't want to create a Coinbase account, then you can go ahead and buy some Ethereum on Binance. Then open your Trust Wallet, right? Open your Trust Wallet. So after you've opened your Trust Wallet, you can come over to Ethereum over here, copy your address, then send in the Ethereum you purchased by clicking on withdraw, right? Then send it into your Trust Wallet. Then enter the amount in here, then click on withdraw, right? So after you've actually withdrawn the Ethereum, you can now come over to Trust Wallet, right? Then come to browser, right? Come to browser, then you can now click on Uniswap over here. You see this Uniswap, click on it. Then you can now click on Ethereum over here. As you can see, it is synced to Ethereum automatically, so just click on Ethereum over here, then enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy. Enter the amount in Ethereum that you want to buy. Let's assume 0.05. Then come to select the token and search for AMP over here. Search for AMP, then go ahead and click the AMP over here. As you can see, I've already clicked it. So once you choose the AMP, you can now go ahead and buy it using your Ethereum balance. As you can see, I don't have enough balance, that's why I'm unable to buy it. So it's very easy and simple to do. So after you purchase it, you'll be able to see it over here in your Trust Wallet. It will appear in here. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video.